Hozing ahaba contingent PSF contingent salami piragari. PSF contingent hozing salami piragari tung direction Virapivasi. CRPF contingent led by SI Ajay Kumar hozing direction Virapivasi. CRPF contingent music salami people saluting dice among the Chatti. Tungdaleshi Pirapipa combined Manipur Rifles contingent 2nd, 5th, 6th, 7th amadi 8 MR Jeminar U Ashok Kumar Singh 7 MR command Makada Uji Chaksilaki salami Piragari. Combined Manipur Rifles contingent Jose Salami Pikre Tungdaleshi Pirapipa Arunachal Pradesh India Reserve Battalion, commanded by Platoon Commander S.I. Vilegra Janti Makhada Uji Chakshit Viragli, Salami Piragani. Arunachal Pradesh India Reserve Battalion, Uji Salami Pikre, saluting dice Commander Uji Chatti. Tungdaleshi Pirapipa combined civil police male contingent Imphal West and Imphal East, SISH Corps Chip Singh Imphal East and Commander Uji Salami Piragani. Combined civil police male contingent Uji Salami Pikre. Tungdaleshi Pirapipa 9 India Reserve Mahila contingent led by SIS Vidyashwari Devi Uji Salami Piragani. India is a Mahila contingent, Mrs. Salami Pikre, Tunda Chakshit Virapivasi, combined civil police female contingent, Imphal West and Imphal East, SIH Danela Devi, Imphal West, the commander of Mrs. Salami Piragani. Combined civil police female contingent, Mrs. Salami Pikre, Tunda Chakshit Virapivasi, Manipur Central Jail contingent, Assistant Jailer O. Bomsi Singh, Commander Khadar Chakshit. Salami Piragani. Manipur Central Jail Uji Salami Pikre, Tungda Chakshit Virapivasi, Home Guard contingent male company commander W. Bomja Singh Command Makhada Uji Chaksilati Uji Salami Piragani. Home Guard contingent male Uji Salami Pikre, Tungda Chakshit Virapivasi, combined VDF contingent Imphal West and Imphal East, SIK Sylvester Imphal West and Commander Uji Chaksilati Uji Salami Piragani. Combined VDF contingent Uji Salami Pikre, Tunda Chakshit Virapivasi, Manipur Fire Service contingent led by Sub Officer Rishikanta Chananthawa Uji Chakshit Virapivasi, Uji Salami Piragani. Manipur Fire Service, Uji Salami Pikre, Tunda Chakshit Virapivasi, Traffic Police contingent led by ASI Y. Vijendra Singh. Uji Chakshit Virapivasi, Traffic Police contingent led by ASI Y. Vijendra Singh. Traffic Police contingent, Uji Salami Pikre, Tunda Chakshit Virapivasi, 14 Battalion Senior NCC Boys and Girls. Senior Officer A. Ko Umesh Command Khadar Uji Chaksilati Salami Piragani. Battalion Senior NCC Boys and Girls Tunda Uji Chakshit Virapivasi, 65th Manipur Girls Battalion NCC Senior Officer Tonto Chitu Chenuki Command Khadar Uji Chaksilati, 65th Manipur Girls Battalion NCC. 65th Manipur Girls Battalion NCC Uji Salami Pikre, Tungda Chakshit Virapivasi, NCC Senior Airway Cadet L. Cherwin Maitei, Command Makhada Uji Chaksilati. NCC Senior Airway, commanded by by Cadet L. Cherry Mate. NCC Senior Airwing Coaching Sarami Peter Matuga School Contingent Exhibirately Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy played by Lydia Soto Class 11 Commerce. Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy Salami Peter to the Chakshinatribasi CC Higher Secondary School Contingent played by Ananda Ivamnaupa Class 10 Music Secretary. CC Higher Secondary School, Music Salami Petre, to the Chakshinatribasi Iboton Snap Girls Higher Secondary School, Loitumbum Elina Chenu Class 12 Science